napili? Ha? Go, get na, get na. Get na. Go. Dali na, get na. Sige na, kunin mo na. Dali na, go, go. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? That? O, digit mo na. Ano? Ito baga, oh. Kasi ito, hinihila ito pa ganito. O, a little. O, para makita mo. Diba? Diba? O. Diba? O, what can you do with the, with the tungtungan? Just put it there. Dami na lang yan. Sa'yo. Binigyan na nga ng tungtungan. Tinawag pa talaga ako. We're going to call Mama. Will you go home na? No? You don't want to go home? Why? You want to stay here? Oh my God, you have to go home. Because Mama and Ate, I missed you. You don't miss Mama and Ate? No? You don't have diaper, oh? You don't have diaper, oh? Diba? You don't have diaper.
This is such a cool rental boat. Look at this. So you can use the sink right
I'll go home
here.
na later, opo.
And then if you want to cook, there's the stove top,
Oh, no.
girls. Isn't this really cool?
Why?
There's a little table right here. You can just look out the side at the water.
Ayaw pa niya umuwi ng bahay nila.
Oh, and also, if you
Nandun
want to
na.
rest, girl.
Swimming ka na. Alas 6 pa lang. Grabe ka naman. Gusto na mag-swimming. Buang na bata. Oo, mamaya pag mainit na. Oh,
Mukudo ka muna.
you're in the camera.
Mukudo ka muna. Mukudo. Pagkatapos mo mag-udog, swimming nga. Dali. Bakit?
Swimming ka?
Gagalit rin.
Magagalit. Wala, basa pa yung mo, yung pang swimming mo. Nasaan yung mo, yung damit mo, yung pang swimming? O, nasaan? Ayun ko sa'yo. This is our vegetable for today. It's called malunggay. What's this? Malunggay. You do it shortcut. Oh no, not like that.
Marunong din siya kumain.
What can you say?
Drink mo rin yung milk. Yung milk mo yan.
Opo.
Oh, Kali! Hindi ka na.
Eat with Kali. Can I see? Marunong ka na ba? Wow, yummy pala yan. Tingnan natin kung kainin. Eat na, eat na. Ako parang di niya trip. Hindi niya trip. Ayun. Wala na yung bundok. Dati green na green pa yan. Yung the glades na yan. Ngayon wala na. Ano na. Binuldozer na nila. Pupunta kami sa guys. The glades. Punta kami dito sa play area. Ang ganyan kaganda dito. Diba? Prime lot.
Bakit dito lang may playground? Layo.
Layo pa ng playground, no? Sulok na sulok pa. Yung playground. Pwede ka na mag-parking dyan. There. May nagpa-play. Yay! Playground! Play nice, ha? Ops! 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 Zoe!
Zoe! Here, follow ate.
Ikaw talaga. May sarili kang daanan, ha?
Sugat daw eh. Sadali.
Hindi siya sa mas mabilis, eh. Go, play! Pinasa pala nila dito. Umulan ba? Go, play! Ando na siya. Start. Yay! Are you enjoying? You are a spider.
Bitaw ha? Lala. Diretso babae.
Shortcut yan, eh.
Yan naman daw ikat mo kali. Yan naman daw.
Oh! Baby!
Nilipad.
Hoy, where are you? You're eating, diba? Ba't nandiyan ka na sa baba? Oh, ang dami pa nito, oh. Peekaboo, dali na. Eat na pa, eat na. Eat properly kasi, not like that. You want sabaw? You want sabaw? Eat na, eat na. Eat. Someone is crying here. Looking for mama.